how to fix Instagram DM direct message not working. So hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end. And now, without wasting any second, let's jump right into the video. So it's very easy to fix this problem. I had this problem before and I fixed Instagram DM by just using this simple trick. It's not a trick, it's just a simple solution. But I hope, I'm not guaranteeing that it will work 100%, but if it works, I'll be happy for you. So now what you want to do is to go to settings, and here in settings scroll down until you see general, tap on general. Don't go in general, actually scroll down until you see Instagram, and right here go in general. I'm so sorry, I'm very confused. So no, actually you need to go in general, and here in general tap on iPhone storage, and iPhone storage here. What you want to do is to wait a couple of seconds and now go to Instagram, and all you need to do is tap on offload app right here. And the reason for that is because Instagram, when you tap on offload app, basically what that does, it clears all the temporary cache for that app and basically imports kind of like everything that you had before, like your logins and all that good stuff. But this will really help you because it will delete all the arrows, all the box that you had before. So this will reset Instagram. So if there were any errors, the fact that you're offloading the app, this will tremendously help the app, will give it a new refresh. So that's why I recommend you to tap on offload app and then reinstall Instagram. So that's, and also a small tip, guys, just I don't know if this will help you, but I just remember right now, if you go to your Instagram DM, if you don't see any messages, probably because maybe the messages are in message request. And also maybe you deactivated your followers on control, like this, don't receive message request, don't receive request, message request. Others on Instagram, message requests, or look in hidden request, and here probably you didn't see this, but if you checked your hidden request here, probably you have request messages. So I hope this video helped you, and now I see in the next tutorial, please subscribe and like this video if I provide you with any value in this video. Thank you for watching this video.